I'm Jillian Tedesco, and I'm the founder and owner of Fit Flavors, and I want to talk about how to form good habits and ditch the bad ones. So first thing you need to realize is everybody's got a bad habit. They're pretty much inescapable, but also understand you can change these things, because if your habits don't support your goals you have, maybe to lose weight or to exercise more or to eat healthier, you're not going to reach your goals because your habits of your life are not supporting where you're trying to go. So let's take a look at the 4 stages that are involved with making a habit change. Stage 1 is the contemplation stage. Stage 2 is the preparation. Stage 3 is taking action, and then stage 4 is maintenance. I'm going to use me for example. This is one time I went through this, and this is how I did it. Stage 1, I think I need to drink more water. Stage 2, I feel a little dehydrated sometimes in my workouts, and I'm not drinking enough water to be healthy. I just don't drink enough. I drink too much coffee. Stage 3, action. I'm going to take a water bottle with me every day, everywhere I go. I've never done that. I'm going to start carrying one with me, and then when I sit down to eat a meal, I'm always going to have a full glass of water with my meal. The maintenance stage, being consistent with that and doing it every day. And I probably linger in the maintenance stage and fall back to the action stage sometimes. Sometimes I forget to take a water bottle, but if I'm out, I'll try to grab one and keep it with me, but I do forget to take it sometimes when I leave the house. But that's a good example of how you can kind of look at your habits and understand where you are in the process and take the action steps to change a bad habit to a good habit. So I hope this helped you, and if it did, share this video with a friend.